Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, when you see that, you know see some baking I go on. Yes, alright guys, so we're gonna make easy and quick and fast coconut cake or Jamaican Toto. Alright, so guys, I have 2 eggs. We're gonna start off with 2 eggs, and if you want guys, you don't have to use no mixer. You can just use your beater. Just use the beater and beat them up. That's it. And add them in. Add everything all at once. Okay. But I want it a little bit more fluffy. So I'm just going to whisk my eggs and then I add my sugar. And we're going to get straight into the video. Quick and fast. All right. Guys, after you get it fluff like that, I start to pour it out without showing you. I'm adding 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Okay. Sometimes guys, you're gonna find your brown sugar have a little bit of lumps, but it's okay. If you squeeze it like that, it's all good. After that, we're just gonna sieve everything else. I have my strainer here. I have a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna pour that in. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder. This is the goodness here guys. I have 1/2 teaspoon allspice, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon mace, and 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. All right, that's where the spice come from right there guys. Okay, and we're just gonna sieve this. Rub it out. Show me salt and them things that come out guys, and all my spice. Sieving it, just combine all the ingredients together, and it makes the flour become more light, fluffy. In a bowl now, I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and I'm gonna put 1/2 cup of milk. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon almond extract. Quick and fast guys. 1 teaspoon vanilla, and I have 1/3 of olive oil, 1/3 cup. You can add half if you want. We're just gonna give this a little mix. All right, we're gonna pour half in first, and you want to give this a little mix. So basically guys, when my mom make it in the country, it's just a one thing. All right, she put egg, flour, sugar, everything all together at the same time. Okay, so you can do it that way too. It's the same thing, but I'm just making it a little bit fluffier. All right guys, and you see, that's it. Just give this a good mix. Make sure no lump no in it. Alright guys, when you have it like this, the next thing I have here is some coconut flakes, and I'm gonna add 1 cup. If you're making a bigger one, you want to add about 2 cups or 1.5 cups. And you want to mix this in. So you know I have my coconut milk in it already and my coconut flakes. I think I'm gonna put few of these Thompson raisin in it, not much, just few. I'm giving it a little mix. The raisins are optional, you don't have to put them in. Okay guys, all right, and that's it. I add some oil to my baking pan, and then I'm gonna dust it with a little bit of flour in the bottom. Dusting it prevent it from stick to the bottom. Okay, guys? So that's it. Oh, and the next thing too, guys, you don't want to make your mixture too watery. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of my coconut flakes, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle this time. I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 45 minutes, and then that's it. Or you want to watch your oven and you want to keep on checking it. All right, once you insert something in it and it comes up clear, it's done. I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is it. This is the goodness right here. Before it's cool, I have some honey. This is optional, you don't have to put this. All right, guys, but this is gonna make the top glaze. All right, this is optional, remember, don't come for me, okay? This is optional, you don't have to put this. But if you have a little bit of honey or a little bit of syrup, you can just brush it on the top. It's gonna make it glaze and really soft. And if you have butter, you can add some butter as well. It's cool now, and you just wanna cut around the sides. There you have it, guys. All right, set it on this. Look at that, guys. Guys, this is it. Can you see it? Yes. Can you see that, guys? All right, guys, can you see it? You see how good it is, guys? Look at that. All right. Guys, my girlfriend come broke off a whole of it. Boy.
This tastes good.
It tastes good?
Not too sweet.
Me don't make it too sweet.
No, me take this one. Bye.
You taste the coconut in there?
This all kind. Thank you.
Come here, Bobby, taste it. Guy. I'm sorry to say, but me I gotta put on 2 pounds. Oh my goodness, guys. Look there. Can't wait. Done. Hallelujah. Right, guys.